Hiya everyone, I thought I would do a quick video in the bathroom showing you my nighttime routine because someone was asking if I use a facial scrub. I do, but I've not long run out, and it's this. So I use the Nip and Fab. It's the vitamin C fix, but it's a scrub. I used that on a nighttime, but I've run out, and I was going to use that tonight, but I found this instead. I'm using the last of this, so I've got a little sample of it. I don't know what brand it is. It's just Wishful, and it's pineapple enzyme, a papaya enzyme, and AHA. But it's like it turns into like weird bits on your face. Anyway, I've done a good scrub with that. I always take my makeup off with this stuff, the Garnier skincare. I like the micellar aloe water. There's a couple of different ones. I've got the yellow vitamin C one, and I've got a rose one, but this is my favourite, and I think it removes the makeup much better. Like I had quite a lot on obviously earlier, and it's all gone and lovely. And then what I put on top of that, hang on, sorry, that's just bits of that. What I put on top of that afterwards, always use a hot cloth. I've been using this one here. Faye sent me these. I never had them before. I've got a really discoloured top on at the moment. I've been mucking about getting bits and pieces on my hair, so I wanted to do a hair dye top. It's got I don't know how it's blue, but it's a hair dye top. So I've been mucking about doing all that kind of stuff, and now just do like a hot cloth, just to get like the steam right up. I've always been using, so this here, I use the Colgate Catalyst, but it's discontinued. I can't find it anywhere, so I found this instead. It's Radiance, and I've took a photo for you. And what I do is, it's a blue, and I leave it on, so you'll get to see a horrific photo in the comments. And that's what I do. I'll leave it on for about 5 minutes. It's blue, like look at it. All right, it's like latex glove blue. It's ugly, and it feels like a latex glove, like plasticky. Doesn't smell amazing, but I'll do that about 5 minutes, and that's how I keep my teeth clean, like as white as I can anyway. That's the only toothpaste I'll use. I haven't, the rest are crap for me. I don't like them. I'm not happy with them. This is what I've got on my skin. Good molecules, and it's cold pressed rosehip oil. This is amazing. Now, it doesn't smell particularly amazing. It's rosehip oil, but look at it, it's so cute. I've had this for years, and it's still got loads in. I'll do this about twice a week. Otherwise you get a really greasy skin, and then I get breakouts. But if I do it twice a week, I've noticed I don't get the breakouts, and it keeps my skin feeling lovely, because obviously I'm getting older now, and especially under here I get wrinkles, and especially with the sun, all this area here, and just here, like around the sides of here, my nose gets really dry. So this stuff, amazing. A couple of drops of that onto warm washed skin, into the palms, just massage it in, and then blend it all in. Beautiful. And that's what I've got on. That's my nighttime routine. I hope you enjoyed. I think you can still get this. You'll be able to get them all. I'll put the names of them for you with a picture. But I'm off to bed now. It's very early. I've had a headache all day. I'm feeling a little better mind after I've pampered myself. I'm gonna go and lie down, lie my little head down on a hot water bottle, get some rest. I think I'm getting a little bit stressed about the upcoming events, but we're gonna do it. I've done it. I've told the twins I'm dead proud. I put my tattoo off though, because I can't do both. I'm gonna do my tattoo when I get back. Anyway, this is a nighttime routine video. I'm gonna keep it there for you. Hope you enjoyed. I'll do a morning one for you if you want. I have to do some more SPF stuff. I haven't done enough of that. So there we go. But there you go. I hope you enjoyed. Have a good sleep, everyone. Sleep's important. I've got my tonic water because I'm getting restless legs. Tonic water, if you've got restless legs, get some tonic water. It's got quinine in. Amazing. A couple of swigs of that and it helps. I've been having some chronic restless leg lately where I just want to crawl out my own body. It's horrible. So yes, if you suffer with that, get that down you. Good night. Have a good one. nighty night, night, zoom zoom.